So children, in continuation to the topic, new calculation of new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. The first case we have done. Now the second case. Now case 2 says when the new profit sharing ratio is given in the question. A new partner is admitted and the new profit sharing ratio is also given in the question. For example, X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Z for 1/5 share. The new profit sharing ratio was 2:2:1 as agreed amongst partners. Calculate sacrificing ratio. Because the new ratio is already given, so what is left? Sacrificing ratio is left. So the sacrificing ratio will be calculated. X and Y are partners. The old profit sharing ratio was 3/5 and 2/5. The new profit sharing ratio after Z's admission is 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. That is 2:2:1. Now the sacrificing ratio. X old share was 3/5. His new share is 2/5. So we will calculate the LCM. 5 is the LCM. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1/5. X will sacrifice 1/5 of his share. Y's old ratio was 2/5 and new ratio is 2/5. So LCM is 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 5 1s are 5. 1 2s are 2 is equal to 0/5. So only in this case only X is sacrificing. It's clear? Now it is not mandatory that only a single partner will sacrifice in such case. It depends upon the new ratio. If the new ratio would have been something else, then maybe X and Y both would have sacrificed, as we will see in the next case. Now case number 3 is when the new partner acquires, purchases, takes his share from old partners. So this is the case of acquisition. The new partner is coming. He is acquiring his share from the old partners. So what terms can be used in the question? The terms are acquires, purchases, takes. इन तीनों में से कोई भी टर्म अगर दिया हुआ है तो मीन्स इट इज अ केस ऑफ एक्वायर्ड शेयर. Now in this acquired share case, either the acquired share is equally or it will be in a particular ratio or it will be given in a proportion. For example, a case where the new partner acquires his share from the old partners equally. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Z as a new partner for 1/5 share in future profits which he acquires equally from X and Y. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So X and Y, they were sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. Z is admitted for 1/5 share and Z acquires this 1/5 share from X half, from Y half. Now what we will do, we will add the acquired share, what Z has acquired from X and Y. So we will take the LCM. 2 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2/2 is equal to 1. So the acquired share, if we sum up the acquired proportion of Z share, it comes to 1. This is 1 and Z share is 1/5. So what we will do, we will first of all calculate the acquired share. X is how much? Z has acquired from X and how much Z has acquired from Y. So Z has acquired from X, his share was 1/5. Half of his share he has acquired from X. So 1/5 into 1/2 is equal to 1/10. From Y he has acquired half of his 1/5 share. So 1/5 into 1/2 is equal to 1/10. So 1/10 he has acquired from X and 1/10 he has acquired from Y. Now we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. X, whose old ratio was 3/5, he has given 1/10 to Z. So whatever is the remaining ratio, that will be his new ratio. So we will subtract 1/10 from X old share 3/5. So 10 is the LCM. 5 2s are 2 3s are 6. 10 1s are 1 1s are 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5/10. Y, whose old share was 2/5, he has given 1/10 to Z. Whatever is left will be his new ratio. So 10 is the LCM. 5 2s are 2 2s are 4. 10 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3/10. Now Z, he has taken 1/10 from X and 1/10 from Y. So 10 is the LCM. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2/10. Now add up the numerators. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. So the new ratio is 5:3:2. Now the sacrificing ratio. X, 3/5 was the old ratio and the new ratio is 5/10 minus 5/10. So old minus new is the sacrificing ratio, is equal to 10 is the LCM. 5 2s are 2 3s are 6. 10 1s are 1 5s are 5 is equal to 1/10. Y's old ratio was 2/5 and his new ratio is 3/10. So 2/5 minus 3/10 is equal to 10 is the LCM. 5 2s are 2 2s are 4 and 10 1s are 1 3s are 3 is equal to 1/10. So the sacrificing ratio is equal. The acquired share was also equal and the sacrificing ratio is also equal. Whatever amount, in whatever share the new partner is acquiring is the sacrifice of the old partners. Now the third case, it is not a case, it is a part of third case only. The B part is, here the new partner was acquiring in equally from the old partners. Here the new partner is acquiring his share from the old partners in a specified ratio. See, for example, X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Z as a new partner for 1/5 share, which he acquires from X and Y in the ratio 2:1. Here the ratio is specified that Z is going to acquire his share of 1/5 in future profits from X and Y in the ratio 2:1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So X and Y, they were sharing profits in the ratio 3/5 and 2/5. Z is coming for 1/5 share, which he acquires 2/3 from 2:1, means 2/3 from X, and Y a 1/3. We will add up this proportion, this ratio, so it will come to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3/3 is equal to 1. This 1, the total of this is 1, and here the share of the incoming partner is 1/5. They are not equal. Therefore, we have to calculate the acquired share. So X has taken his 1/5 share. Z has taken his 1/5 share from X in the ratio 2/3. So 1/5 into 2/3 is equal to 3/15. Z has taken 3/15 from X. From Y, for his 1/5 share, he has taken 1/3. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 15. So the new profit sharing ratio is X. Old ratio was 3 by 5 and he has given 3 by 15 to Z. So the remaining ratio will be his new ratio. So 15 is the LCM. 5 3s are 3 3s are 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 by 15. Y, whose old ratio was 2 by 5 and he has given 1 by 15 to Z. So minus 1 by 15. So and we will subtract it. So 15 is the LCM. 5 3s are 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 15. Z, he has taken 3 by 15 from X and 1 by 15 from Y. So total comes to 15 is the LCM. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 15. 6 and 5, 11 and 4, 15, which is the common denominator of all the partners. So 6 is to 5 is to 4 is the new profit sharing ratio. Now the sacrificing ratio, X is equal to 3 by 5 the old ratio minus the new ratio, that is 6 by 15, is equal to 15 the LCM. 5 3s are 3 3s are 9, 15 1s are 1 6 are 6, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 by 15. Y, old ratio was 2 by 5 minus the new ratio 5 by 15 is equal to 15 the LCM. 5 3s are 3 2s are 6, 15 1s are 1 5s are 5, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 15. So the sacrificing ratio is 3:1. It's clear to all of you?